Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be covering what are vector quantization models in speech processing. Guys, I have uploaded complete speech and video processing subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Guys, by using vector quantization method, system can compress speech data size. That is nothing but system can reduce speech data size. Guys, I'll give one simple example so that you can clearly understand how this vector quantization method will work. At first, this vector quantization method will collect various kinds of speech data in order to train model. We can also call it as training data. Guys, whatever we speak, system cannot understand it directly. Instead, system will convert our speech into numbers, and based on these numbers, system will understand our speech. And we call these numbers as future vectors. So all these are future vectors. And this vector quantization method will reduce speech data size by dividing all these vectors into various groups based on similarities. For example, if you consider hello and hi based on patterns, vector quantization method will understand that these both are similar. So these both will form one group. This group is represented with number 1, where we call this one as representative vector, which will represent this entire group. Similarly, good, which is stored in other group, and that group is given number 2. We call this number as representative vector. And similarly, yes, no, both are similar. So they both will form other group, and this group is given number, that is 3. Guys, these numbers are like index numbers. These numbers will represent this complete group, and we call this each group as code word. So code word 1 contains hi, hello, and code word 2 contains good, and code word 3 contains yes, no. And this vector quantization model will store this complete information, that is nothing but this complete group, in one place, and we call that place as codebook. So at first, vectors are divided into various groups based on similarities, and all these are stored in one place. We call that place as codebook, and each entry in codebook is known as code word. As there are 3 code words, that means there are 3 groups. Instead of storing complete vectors, system will store only index numbers. As searching is done based on index numbers, speech data size is reduced, as system will not store all these vectors. Let's for example, system will get one new speech signal like bad, and this bad is compared with this group and they are not similar. So code word 1 doesn't match, and next bad is compared with code word 2. And vector quantization model will understand that future vectors in bad and future vectors in code word 2 both are similar. So bad will fall under this category. As for example, I am speaker and my friend is receiver. Whenever I speak hello, in receiver side device, only index numbers are stored. So from receiver side, whenever hello is transferred, and system will understand that this hello is in code word 1, and here hello is constructed, and receiver will receive hello. So vector quantization is a method in speech processing to compress speech data size. This method will work by replacing similar speech values with a set of representative values that are nothing but index numbers. We call them as code word. These representative values are like short forms instead of storing full data. At first, whenever we speak, our speech is changed into numbers. We call those numbers as future vectors. And then vector quantization method will reduce all these vectors into various groups. So our speech signal, which is changed into numbers, we call these numbers as future vectors. Whatever we speak, we call it as input, and vector quantization method will give output, that is nothing but it will give compressed speech or it will give code word index number to our particular speech. I will explain various steps in vector quantization method, and the first one is codebook creation. Guys, whatever we speak, our speech is converted into numbers. We call those numbers as future vectors, and all these vectors are stored in various groups based on similarities. So at first, many vectors are collected from training data, and all these vectors are grouped based on similarity. And then each group is given one representative number, that is representative vector, and we call each group as code word, and all these together form a code book. You can draw this diagram in exam. Here small dots represent our future vectors. There are so many code words where all vectors are grouped based on similarities, and all these code words represent code book. And step 2 is matching. We also call it as quantization, where whenever we speak, our new speech is placed in particular code word. So when a new speech signal comes, it is converted into a future vector. This vector is compared with all code words which are in code book, and then matching code word is selected. For example, whenever I speak bad, based on similarities, it is placed in code word 2. I already explained this example. Here in this model, instead of storing complete speech data, only index numbers are stored. We call those index numbers as code word. So storage size will be reduced, and whenever person speak anything from receiver side, based on code word index numbers, the speech is reconstructed at receiver side. We use vector quantization method for speech compression in order to reduce size of speech data, which will occupy less memory because we are storing index numbers, not complete speech data. And second one is speaker identification. Each person will speak in different ways and each person's voice is different. So we can also match and identify speaker by using vector quantization method. And next one is speech recognition. Whenever we speak, system will understand our words by using vector quantization method. These are advantages. First one is memory storage will be saved, so processing will be done faster and easy to use. As similar words are formed into various groups, so searching and processing will be easy. These are disadvantages. Guys, in this process, some information will be lost and output is not correct always.